Very good morning, students. We have seen this planet, the word from where it originated. Next paragraph, you can see here, next paragraph, that we are going to study something different one, what we have seen before planet. Now we are going to see satellite. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. What is moon? What it is? Is it planet or satellite? Okay, question is whether true or false. You want to say the statement is true or false. The moon that we see in the sky is a planet. What is the answer? Okay, very good. It is false. Why? Moon is a satellite and it is a companion of our earth and moved around it. And moon is the companion of which planet? Jupiter or Mercury? No, it is the companion of our earth. And how we can understand that one? It is moving around the our earth. Like our earth, there are 7 other planets that get heat and light from the sun. That is total, we are calling it is our solar system. So like earth, how many planets are there? 7 planets are there. Fill in the blanks. Question, fill in the blanks. Like our earth, there are dash other planets that get heat and light from the sun. What is the answer? Okay, MCQ it is. So options 3, 7, 9. Answer is 7. Okay, there are some of them have their own moons too or satellite too, like earth. Some of the planets having its own satellite. So write only name you can write. The moon. Please write today's date. What is the date today? Today is 23 04 then 2021. Which day? Friday. Which day it is? It is Friday. It is Friday. Date 23/4/2021 and today is Friday. Please write day and date. Then write next point, the moon. The moon. THE the next word moon. MOON moon. Next word is is. Next Next word satellite. SATELLITE. Once again, SATELLITE. Satellite. The moon is a satellite. And it is the companion of which planet? Earth. And it moves around Earth. And like our Earth, how many planets are there? Total 7 planets. Next point. There are THERE there. Once again, THERE there. Next word ARER. 7. SEVE. 8. EIGHT. 8 planets. 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 Okay, where we can see 8 planets in the solar system. Next word in. Next word the. The. Next word solar. 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 Once again SOLAR. Solar. Next word system. 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 Okay. Then here in right side, left side of the textbook, we can see interesting fact. Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them. And if we can see next page how it is, what it mean rings and all. Here you can see some of the planets having what? They are having its own rings. Which planet is having rings? Which planet is having rings? Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus, they are having their own rings. These are belt of small debris. It is it is like a belt. How we are wearing belt when we are wearing jeans or pants, that time we are also wearing belt like that. These three planets having what? Its own ring. These rings may be seen from Earth with the help of powerful telescope. If we are looking with our eyes, we can't see, but if we are using powerful telescope, we can see the rings of these three planets. Which planets? Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. Okay, we are moving to next topic, that is solar system. That is solar system. What was the name of our chapter? The Earth in the solar system. So we are coming to that point, that the solar system. The sun, 8 planets, satellite and other some celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. In solar system, what all things are there? Planets are there. Then we can see satellites, then asteroids, meteoroids, like the different things it is there were in solar system. So you can write heading solar system. Please write the THE, the. Next word SOLAR, solar. SOLAR, solar. Next word system. SYSTEM, system. Okay, underline it. Next word the, THE, the. Next word sun, SUN, sun. The sun, comma 8, EIGHD, 8. EIGHD, 8. Planets, 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 planets. Comma satellite, comma satellite, SATELLITES. Once again, SATELLITES, satellites. And and other, sorry, and some, 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 some. Next word other, OTHER, other. Next one celestial, CELESTIAL, celestial. Bodies, BODIES, bodies. Celestial bodies. Form, that names we will study later. Form, FORM, form. The THE, the. Next word solar, SOLAR, solar. System, SYSTEM, system. Okay. Once again, full sentence. Once again, full sentence. The solar system, the sun, 8 planets, satellites, and other some celestial bodies form the solar system. Next, no need to write. Listen carefully. We often call it a solar family with the sun as its head. And who is the head of that family? Sun. And we are calling it solar family. Then here in left side you can see it is given that one small blue box. It is given Sol. S-O-L. Sol in Roman mythology is the sun god. Means god of sun. And solar means related to sun. The family of the sun is therefore called the solar system. Write down as many words using the word solar as you are on as you can. So here it is given the meaning as well as asking to do some activity. What we want to do? We want to find out some of the word. It's starting from sun or using that word sun or solar. Solar like that, for example, solar energy, solar panel, like that many words we have heard. Like that words, how many words? As much as you can write by your own, not asking to somebody, not checking from net. You how many words you can write? Please write it down. What we want to write? The word using solar with different things. All like that words we want to write. Okay. Okay. So solar system. In solar system, who is the head? Sun is the head, and we are calling it as a family. And when we can compare the same thing with our family. How? Your father is the head of the family. Grandfather is the head of the family. We all together working together for the development of our family or to help each other, like that in the solar system also we can see. So the word from where this word solar or solar system, like that word started, it is started from Roman mythology. In Roman mythology, Sol means what it is? That means sun, the god of sun, means who is giving light and heat, like that one god name given in Roman mythology or Roman word, that S-O-L, Sol, and meaning it is sun god. So you can write it down. Not next point, S-O-L, Sol, S-O-L, Sol. Next word, in Roman mythology, in. Next word, Roman, R-O-M-A-N, Roman, R-O-M-A-N, Roman. Next word, mythology, M-Y-T-H-O-L-O-G-Y, mythology. Is, I-S is, the, T-H-E, the. Next word, S-U-N, sun, G-O-D, God. S-U-N-G-O-D, sun, God. Okay. Next sentence. Okay, next sentence. Solar, S-O-L-A-R, solar, S-O-L-A-R, solar, means, M-E-A-N-S, means, M-E-A-N-S, means, solar means. Next word, related, R-E-L-A-T-E-D, related, R-E-L-A-T-E-D, related. Next word, to, T-O-2. Next word, the, T-H-E, the. Next word, sun, S-U-N, sun. So today's activity is we want to find out words started with or using with solar system, solar energy, solar pump, like that many solar cooker, like that many things we heard. Like that words we want to find out and write. Don't ask to anybody. Don't check in net also. What you know, what you learned already, what you are remembering, that much only you want to write it. Then next topic, it is the sun. Please write the heading, the sun. The THE, the T capital. Then next S capital, SUN, sun. Okay, the sun. Many things we can write about sun, but we are not going to write. We only names we are going to study. When you are getting textbook, I will help you people to underline the important sentences. The sun is the center of the solar system. We have seen that one. Sun is the head of the families. At the same time, sun is the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases. How it is made, which element is, we can see that is hot gases. It provides pulling force that binds the solar system. From sun, we are all the planets, all the satellites getting pulling to solar sun. That's why we are living together without making any changes in our orbit. We are staying together because of the pulling force of the sun. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light for solar system. All the planets we are depending on sun for what? Light and heat. But the tremendous heat is not felt so much by us, because despite being our nearest star, it is far away from us. Even though we are saying like that, sun is the nearest star for us, and that is the center for our planet also, our system also, galaxy, and then also we are not feeling that tremendous, or we said like that it is full of with hot gases. But why we are not facing that one? Because we know it is far away from us. For example, if your mama is burning gas stove, that gas stove already lit, and she is cooking something, and you are sitting in your living room, will you get any heat from that? We can see the light, how it is burning like that, but we are not getting the heat from the stove. In the same way, sun is far away from us, so we are not getting the that tremendous or the scorching sun as it is. We are getting very small amount of sunlight only. Then the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. How much far away? 150 million kilometers, not 150 kilometers. It is 150 million kilometers away from earth. That's why we are not getting that much tremendous heat and light from sun. Then next word, planets. Please write heading PLANETS, planets. Okay, then you can write names. I will spell one by one. First one, Mercury, MERCURY, Mercury. Once again, MERCURY, Mercury. Next one, Venus, VENUS, Venus. Once again, VENUS, Venus. Next one, third one, Earth, EARTH, Earth. Next one, Mars, MARS, Mars. Mars. Next one, Jupiter, JUPITER, Jupiter. Next one, it is Saturn, SATURN, Saturn. Saturn. Next one, Uranus, 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 and AND. And next one and last one, Neptune, Neptune. Neptune. Once again, Neptune. Check once again. Mercury, first one, Mercury. Next one, Venus, Venus, Venus. Next one, Earth, Earth, Earth. Next one, Mars, Mars. Next one, Jupiter, Jupiter, Jupiter. Saturn, Saturn, Saturn. Then Uranus, Uranus, Uranus. Last one, Neptune, Neptune, Neptune. So we already written that we are having 8 planets in our solar system, and according to the distance from sun, the names we written. First one, it is Mercury, which is nearest to sun, that is Mercury. Which one is the last one from sun? That is Neptune. Then to memorize the names of the planet, make a story like, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. When your friends are coming to your home, or when you are visiting your friend's home, when mama is giving some juice or nuts, then you can remember what it is. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Okay, like this you can find out some other sentence with all these first letters should start with starting with name of the which one planets. So which one you can remember very easily, like that words you can find out and you can make your own sentence, your own story. Okay, all the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed path. Each and every planet having its own particular way to move around the sun. These paths are elongated. They are called orbits. The path which is given to move a particular planet, it is known as orbit. So write the name only, no need to write a sentence and all. Orbit, ORBITS, orbits. Okay, you can write if you want like that, the fixed path of the planets, the fixed path of the planet, the the FIXED, 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 fixed. Next word, path, PATHS, paths. Next word, OF, of, planets, PLANETS, planets. Okay, Mercury is the nearest to sun, and it takes only about 88 days to complete the round along its orbit. Venus is considered as the Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of Earth. So we are having one twin brother or sister, that is which one? Venus. Why we are saying like that? The size and shape of the Venus more or less same or similar to Earth. Till recently, August 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. How? In the meeting of the International Astronomical Union, the decision was taken. The Pluto, like other celestial objects discovered in recent past, may be called dwarf planets. Why? It is very small, so it is not considered now as a planet. Up to 2006 we was considering Pluto, total 9 planet like that. When you are saying like that there are only 8 planets, your grandparents may object it. Why? They learn like that there are 9 planets, but we are studying now 8 planet. Which planet is not considered as a full planet? Pluto, Pluto. Pluto is not considered as a full planet. So then next here in our left side again you can see word origin. Many words used in a language may have been taken from other languages. Geography, for example, is an English word. It has its own origin in Greek. From which word geography it started? It developed from Greek, which related to the description of the earth. It is made up of 2 Greek words. G means earth and graphia means writing. So geography means from which word language it started, originated from Greek word, and G means G means earth, and graphia means writing. So some words it showed here in textbook. You can see geology, geometry, geode, all these things related to geo. That word started from this Greek word, and from that we are making the naming. Geology means study of the earth. Geometry means measurement of the earth, and geoid means resembling the shape or the shape of the globe. What we are calling it geoid. So the word started from Greek word. From two words it is originated. G means earth, graphia means writing. From like that many words. Ology means science, like geology. So it is the study of the earth. Like that many words started from Greek word. So we are stopping here, and earth and other things we will study next day. So we have seen what is solar system, and satellite means what it is. Again it will come details. Moon, and that time again it will come. Then we studied about sun, and how much far away from earth that we have seen. Then we learned the name of the planets. Then last one what we studied, the moving path of the planets, it is known as orbits. And up to 2006 there was one more planet, that what was the name of that one? Pluto. Now it is not considered as a planet, full planet. Instead of that, what we are calling it dwarf. Why? It is very small. Okay, we'll stop here and we will continue next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.